Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Patio Los Naranjos. As you see as we walk round, it's a very spacious apartment. Would benefit from a little bit of modernisation, particularly in the bathrooms, but a great size and a great location, walking distance to all the shops and amenities that you have in Benavista, as well as the new tennis club and the golf club. So I'll have a look at the living room. Got a living room, dining room with air conditioning and a fireplace. Leads out onto a large south-facing terrace. You can see the swimming pool for the community that's just in front of us, and then in front of these trees is the tennis club. Beautifully sunny. And into the kitchen. Again, it's a really good size, and it also has this laundry storage area at the end. Many people in this complex have opened up this area to create a breakfast room or utility area, all in one with the kitchen. Also here you've got one of the shower rooms. Doubles as a guest toilet for when you've got friends here. The master bedroom. The master bedroom faces east, so lovely and sunny for the mornings. Family bathroom. And then you've got a good size second bedroom, which currently has got bunk beds in it, as well as a double bed, so plenty of space. Patio Los Naranjos is a popular complex with year-round residents because of the size of the apartments. As I said, it's very close to all the amenities in Benavista. You've also got the bowling club just a couple of minutes walk away, and an administration office on site.